Good night. Yours truly, Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin here, once more with the periodic bed of chemical elements and the spelling of the word NASA. Now we notice that we have left out a very important element during our spelling, which was the atomic number 14, representing silicon. I guess it's over here. Silicon, Si. Now silicon is a very important metal, a semiconductor that have been used in engineering, in electrical electronics engineering field, semiconductors. And so important it is that it has a special place in California called Silicon Valley, in which all the silicon scientists emerges and they have their own environment over there doing their own electrical engineering, semiconductor engineering. But here we have NASA, and this time we're going to spelling it with the S for space and the SI, the uppercase S for silicon, and the lowercase I. And so being it, we will integrate the Silicon Valley in our spelling here. So then we'll have N, as usual, for nitrogen and sodium. Sodium taking the lowercase a. There are other N's that can be used as well, I believe. There'll be other N's. You have neon, a rare gas. With nitrogen we have used already. And, okay. A, the first A, well, if the first one, it would be aluminum, which atomic number 13, if we're going by the numbers, aluminum, and then next with it would be argon, atomic number 18. That's a noble gas, a rare gas. And the other A's here, aluminum and argon. Then we have silver, 47 atomic number, and gold, 79 atomic number, but each takes a lowercase g and a lowercase u respectively. So that is NaS, as we said, for silicon. We are focusing on silicon this time because we had left it out in the other spelling. So Si for silicon, atomic number 14, and then we have other S's like strontium, atomic number 38, and strontium and scandium, atomic number 21. Other S's are, if we have any more S here, we have sulfur, silicon, tin, Sn, and antimony. So there we have about 5-6 elements with the letter S. And here's another one, samarium, in the lanthionide series, S. So NaS, A, then we could use so many A's as well, actinium, americium, A, aluminum, Ag gold, and Ag silver, and Au gold, and the Ar argon. So there's about 6 A's there, the uppercase A, and we have spelled NASA. But this one was basically to integrate the silicon, as silicon is such an important semiconductor metal in engineering. So important it is that they have a whole city, almost like a city called Silicon Valley, in which all the silicon engineer specialists live in that little valley called Silicon Valley there, and they do all their engineering semiconductor work over in Silicon Valley. SI, very important in electricity and in electrical engineering and electronics engineering. So here we have spent the word NASA once more, using the element silicon. Here's another one, Sg. I guess it's C, bourgeon, Sg, with atomic number 106. Yeah. But this one was basically to focus on silicon. So here's it. the N, let's remove it, NASA, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, so let's deactivate. From this end, well, the sulfur came out first, or the silicon came out first, and one of the A's, deactivating now, another A here, and the N. So we have deactivate.